So far y'all can see he pushed the other side back. Now try to do it all the way in. When you try to put the brace, be going better. And then now he gonna grab the new brace, install it right there. You can see. Right here I can see. Now as soon as you install that, you're gonna come, you can see the screw that he removed from the first time. It's only 2. You put it on right back, and then you tight it up. Not too hard, but make sure it's really tight, but not really hard. Do the same thing the other. And that's it. You already put some new brace on your dash ram, and this is the back brace also. So, and that's it. You do the same thing to the other side. Alright, buddy. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe so you can not miss one of my videos. And I'm new to this channel, so I know I'm gonna learn little by little how to make some good, better video for y'all. But hopefully you like the video. If you want to press like, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.